Understanding glycolysis. The energy pathway. Glycolysis is the metabolic pathway that breaks down glucose into energy. This process occurs in the cytoplasm of the cell and consists of 10 enzyme-driven steps. Let's explore them one by one. Step 1. Glucose activation, hexokinase reaction. The process begins with glucose, a 6-carbon sugar. The enzyme hexokinase phosphorylates glucose, using one ATP molecule. This forms glucose 6-phosphate, trapping glucose inside the cell. Step 2. Isomerization, phosphoglucose isomerase reaction. Glucose 6-phosphate is rearranged into fructose 6-phosphate by phosphoglucose isomerase, preparing it for further reactions. Step 3. Second phosphorylation, phosphofructokinase reaction. Another ATP is used by phosphofructokinase to add a phosphate group, forming fructose 1,6-bisphosphate. This step is key in regulating glycolysis. Step 4. Cleavage into 2 molecules, aldolase reaction. Fructose 1,6-bisphosphate is split into 2 3-carbon molecules, dihydroxyacetone phosphate, DHAP, and glyceraldehyde 3-phosphate, G3P. Step 5. Isomerization of DHAP, triose phosphate. Isomerase reaction. Dihydroxyacetone phosphate is converted into another molecule of glyceraldehyde 3-phosphate, ensuring both molecules continue in glycolysis. Step 6. Energy generation begins, glyceraldehyde 3-phosphate dehydrogenase reaction. NAD+ is reduced to NADH, and an inorganic phosphate is added to G3P, forming 1,3-bisphosphoglycerate. This step helps generate ATP later. Step 7. First ATP formation, phosphoglycerate kinase reaction. The high-energy phosphate from 1,3-bisphosphoglycerate is transferred to ADP, producing ATP and 3-phosphoglycerate. Step 8. Molecular rearrangement, phosphoglycerate mutase reaction. 3-phosphoglycerate is converted to 2-phosphoglycerate by phosphoglycerate mutase. Step 9. Water removal, analase reaction. A water molecule is removed, forming phosphoenolpyruvate, PEPO, a high-energy compound. Step 10. Final ATP production, pyruvate kinase reaction. Phosphoenolpyruvate donates a phosphate group to ADP, forming ATP and pyruvate, the final product of glycolysis. Conclusion: net energy yield. In summary, glycolysis produces 2 ATP, 2 NADH, and 2 pyruvate molecules from 1 glucose molecule. This energy fuels cellular processes or continues into aerobic respiration.